You guys can stop that with yourself. And guess what? Like I said before, it's not where you start, it's where you end. You guys ended 2010 You guys ain't. Nobody can take away from you guys. And the guys ain't. You guys played a game that was just unbelievable. You guys have made our job easy today. I can't believe how well you guys played. You guys were prepared. You guys don't look like the same team that played against Green Hill. And guys, I love you guys to death. Guys, listen, this is something you'll cherish for the rest of your life. Some of you guys may not go to the next level or whatever, but guess what? This will be something you'll never forget. You can always say that you were champion one time.
State champion.
State champion one time.
That's right.
Then I want to give special thanks to my coaching staff. These guys just put up with me from day in and day out. You know, I'm hard on these guys, but I love them to death. And Coach said, let's say against Coach Slade with myself and Coach Slade for the past 3 years. And like I said, there's nothing I want to do for these guys. The same thing vice versa. And the 2 new guys that came on the staff, they picked up and learned our process. And guys, look, hey, I just want to you guys know that you appreciate you guys.
Now you are.
Once again, Sarah, I love you guys. I know y'all be back behind the fence, talking battles and what happened. That's all right. Hey, that's part of football, you know, hey. But guys, look, these guys have a job, and look, the guys that's coming back, I'm hoping next year, we're going to do this thing all over again. But Archie, Stark, and who's got Sheldon, look, this is a whole lot sweeter this is than it was last year. Guys, you guys came back and repeated, and you won it all this year. But the guys that's 9 years old, that's turning 10, guess what? We'll be back at 50 games. You guys got to bet on the game. Guess what, guys? You guys beat 1 seed instead of 2 seeds. You guys made history. You guys first team ever to be the 4 seed to be the 1 seed. And 4 seed to be the 2 seed. So you guys made history today. So guys, hey, y'all done a great job. Great.